the BedMaker arrival.
It's here! It's here! It's here! Let's go see!
We didn't know the BedMakers would arrive today. In fact, we thought they were still in Toronto. But when we got the call in the morning, we certainly weren't going to turn them away. This is the day we've been waiting for over 4 years. At this point, the truck's tailgate is supposed to come down to drop the pallets to the ground. But in our case, the tailgate jammed and would not come down. So there we had the entire shipment of BedMakers on the truck in our driveway with no way to get them off. But of course, there was a way. Our only option was to unload the boxes manually from inside the truck and carry them one by one into the house. The shipment contained 8,000 BedMakers packed in 200 boxes, weighing a total of 2.3 tons. Originally, our plan was to bring them inside over the course of several days. But now we had to do it on the spot and within a time limit since the driver was on a schedule. So we got to work. First, we took off 2 doors of our house to get direct access to the basement. Then we used a board to act as a chute to slide the boxes down the basement stairs. We worked in batches of 6 boxes at a time, unloading, sliding, and stacking. After we had got through about 1.5 tons of the shipment, we got some news.
What? The ramp came down?
The ramp coming down meant that we could drop the last 2 pallets to the driveway and let the truck go. By that time, we were on a roll, so for better or worse, and knowing we would pay for it the next day, we decided to press on.
I'm ready. Anytime you are. BedMakers. Okay, moment of truth. Moment we've been waiting for 4 years. We are opening the first set of BedMakers of the 8,000. Yes. We've just been unloading them, so that's why we're going to run. So this is what the customer will see when they first receive the package. Here they are. Wrapped in the sleeve, brochure, elastic bands. Open it. 4 in a set. I don't know what I'm doing to break this. I can slip it off. Each, okay, there's the brochure, there's the extra peely stick pad, there's a BedMaker. No! So, there goes. It looks good to me at first glance. I think it's good. How's that one? So there you have it. A BedMaker. 1 of 8,000 arrived today.
Okay.
That looks good, doesn't it? So beautiful.
If you've watched this far but you're still wondering what a BedMaker is, well, this picture sums it up, but you can get all the details at bedmaker.com. That's bed-maker.com.
Can you move?
Nope. Can you?
Nope. Let's try to get up.
Okay.
The BedMaker. Now accepting massages in return for BedMakers. Limited time offer. 3 days.
Or while the pain lasts.
Limit it up for 3 days or while the pain lasts.